All things AI. Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be discussing how to use artificial intelligence to generate content for a faceless YouTube channel. First of all, let's start by defining what a faceless YouTube channel is. A faceless YouTube channel is a channel that doesn't feature the face of its creator or host, but instead relies on other forms of visual and audio content to deliver its message. So, how can AI help in generating content for a faceless YouTube channel? Well, there are several ways in which AI can be used to create content for this type of channel, such as text generation. One of the many benefits of using AI for text generation is the ability to generate high-quality, engaging content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. With AI, you can provide your audience with fresh, new content on a regular basis, without having to spend hours or even days writing, editing, and refining your content. Another benefit of text generation using AI is the ability to generate content in a way that is unique and different from anything a human could create on their own. With advanced natural language processing capabilities, AI models can generate content that is not only high quality, but also creative and engaging. This helps you stand out from the crowd and grab the attention of your audience. Moreover, text generation using AI can be especially useful for faceless YouTube channels, where there is no human face to provide the narrative for the content. By using AI to generate the text for voiceover videos, you can create high-quality, engaging content without the need for a human host. Additionally, you can use AI-generated text for blog posts or descriptions for your videos, helping to increase the visibility and engagement of your channel. So now, text generation using AI is a powerful tool that can help you save time and create high-quality, engaging content for your faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're looking to generate scripts for voiceover videos, write blog posts, or create video descriptions, AI models can help you achieve your goals in a fast, efficient, and cost-effective manner. Image and video generation, sure. Let's delve deeper into the topic of image and video generation using AI. One of the key benefits of using AI for image and video generation is the ability to create high-quality, engaging content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. With AI, you can generate images and videos that are not only visually appealing, but also creative and unique, helping you stand out from the crowd and grab the attention of your audience. Another benefit of image and video generation using AI is the ability to generate a vast variety of content in a relatively short amount of time. With AI models trained on a large dataset of images and videos, you can generate an unlimited number of images and videos that are tailored to your specific needs and goals. In addition, AI can also help you save time and money by automating the process of creating images and videos. For example, you can use AI to generate backgrounds, animations, or to bring characters to life in your videos, without the need for a team of artists or animators. This not only saves you time, but also significantly reduces the cost of producing high-quality content. With this, using AI for image and video generation is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality, engaging content for your faceless YouTube channel. With its speed, efficiency, creativity, and cost savings, AI is a must-have tool for any channel looking to grow its audience and reach new heights. Audio generation. One of the key benefits of using AI for audio generation is the ability to create high-quality, engaging audio content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. With AI, you can generate audio tracks, sound effects, and voice-overs that are not only of high quality, but also creative and unique, helping you stand out from the crowd and grab the attention of your audience. Another benefit of audio generation using AI is the ability to generate a vast variety of audio content in a relatively short amount of time. With AI models trained on a large dataset of audio samples, you can generate an unlimited number of audio tracks that are tailored to your specific needs and goals. In addition, AI can also help you save time and money by automating the process of creating audio content. For example, you can use AI to generate voiceovers for your videos, or to create sound effects that complement the visuals. This not only saves you time, but also significantly reduces the cost of producing high-quality audio content. Furthermore, AI audio generation technology can also be used to create personalized audio content, such as custom-made soundtracks or voiceovers, that are specifically designed to suit the needs of your channel. Whether you're looking to create a unique audio identity for your channel, or to simply save time and resources, AI audio generation is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. This means, using AI for audio generation is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality, engaging audio content for your faceless YouTube channel. With its speed, efficiency, creativity, and cost savings, AI is a must-have tool for any channel looking to grow its audience and reach new heights. Step 1. Choose the right AI model for your needs. When it comes to choosing the right AI model for your needs, there are several factors to consider, including the type of content you want to generate, the quality of the output you're looking for, and your budget. First, you need to determine the type of content you want to generate. This will help you identify the right AI models to consider, as different models are trained on different types of data and are capable of generating different types of content. For example, if you're looking to generate images, you may consider models trained on large datasets of images, such as GANs. If you're looking to generate audio, you may consider models trained on audio samples, such as WaveNet or Tacotron. Next, you need to consider the quality of the output you're looking for. Some AI models generate low-quality, blurry, or unnatural content, while others generate high-quality, realistic, and engaging content. When choosing an AI model, it's important to consider the quality of the outputs generated by the model, and to read reviews and testimonials from other users to determine whether the model is capable of generating the quality of content you're looking for. Finally, you need to consider your budget. AI models vary greatly in cost, and some models can be quite expensive. When choosing an AI model, it's important to consider your budget and to choose a model that offers the best value for money, given your needs and goals. So, choosing the right AI model for your needs is a crucial step in using AI to generate content for your faceless YouTube channel. By considering the type of content you want to generate, the quality of the output you're looking for, and your budget, you can ensure that you choose a model that is capable of delivering the results you're looking for. Step 2. Use the AI model to generate content. Using an AI model to generate content is a straightforward process. Once the model has been trained, you can use it to generate content by providing it with a prompt, which serves as a seed for the generation process. The prompt can be a text string, an image, or an audio clip, depending on the type of content you want to generate. The AI model will then use the prompt to generate a new piece of content that is similar to the examples in the training dataset. The quality and similarity of the output generated by the model will depend on the quality of the data that was used to train the model, as well as the quality of the prompt that is provided to the model. It's important to note that the outputs generated by the AI model may need to be refined and edited before they can be used as final content. For example, you may need to adjust the tone, style, or grammar of the generated text, or you may need to touch up the generated images or videos to make them look more professional. This means, using the AI model to generate content is a simple process that involves providing the model with a prompt and letting it generate new content based on that prompt. While the outputs generated by the model may need to be refined and edited, the ability to generate high-quality content quickly and efficiently can greatly enhance your faceless YouTube channel and help you reach a wider audience. One of the biggest benefits of using AI for content generation is the speed and efficiency it provides. With AI, you can generate high-quality content in a matter of minutes, as opposed to spending hours or even days creating content from scratch. Another benefit is the level of creativity that AI can bring to the table. AI models can generate content in a way that is unique and different from anything that a human could create on their own, making it easier to stand out from the crowd and grab the attention of your audience. In conclusion, using AI for content generation is a smart choice for any faceless YouTube channel looking to grow its audience and stand out from the crowd. With its speed, efficiency, creativity, and cost savings, AI is a powerful tool that can help you take your channel to the next level. That's it. With these simple steps, you can use AI to generate high-quality content for your faceless YouTube channel, freeing up more time for you to focus on other aspects of your channel and growing your audience. So, if you're ready to start using AI for your faceless YouTube channel, get started today. And remember, with a little bit of creativity and the right AI model, the possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.